Welcome back, bakers. Today, Mama's gonna try white water. It's her birthday today, so she is going to try to get that birthday jackpot. She's gonna put $30 in the machine. That looks like the $1 bet. We need 3 of that guy. I believe the fish is a wild.
Yeah.
What's that $1.10 back? Two, give us another. Oh, almost. Scatter pays. $1.25 back on 9s. Looking for 3 guys in a water raft.
John Sanderson, Jim Fry, and Cheryl Toledo. You have 5 minutes to book your prize after once again,
$1.60 back on aces and 8s.
Jim Fry and Cheryl Toledo. You have 5 minutes to book your prize after thank you.
$1 back on 10s. $1 bet. Back to $2. Back to $1. It's hard to keep track of them. I'm over there spitting and spinning. $0.75 back on jacks. Only one guy. Got 50 cents back on kings. $0.75 back on that Fisher guy. Got 5 more spins. 40-cent bet. 2 guys, pays back double. $0.20 back on 8s. Hey, Mama's gonna add her pre-play in. She wants to keep this rolling. One second as we load this up. can put $10 in free play on the game.
It's been 10 tries.
That's 10 more spins and hopes to hit.
Oh, none of those 50s.
So many wild, so many wasted. 50 cents back on nines.
Oh, thought I had it. I thought I had it right there.
Yeah, scatter and jacks. Total win, 275. Bunch of wilds there. Take that $2. Hit or miss, hit or miss. Show us a biscuit.
$5.
A nice $5 hit on kings.
Yeah. Nah.
A fakey there.
Passengers with casino and hotel guests, we've drawn another name for the 1 o'clock, Nifty 50, Leslie Summers. You have 5 minutes to collect your cards at the Players Club. Once again, Leslie Summers. You have 5 minutes to collect your cards at the Players Club. Thank you.
Is that you? Come on, White Raptor. There's one of them. Let's see this whitewater bonus. I don't know if I've ever even seen it.
It's like the fishy game where you get these guys and you got to collect 4 of them. And you keep collecting them, you keep re-triggering.
And 1, 2?
Oh, the other guy was right there.
He was right there too, yeah.
He was.
Can't believe he's saying this must be your lucky day. It's not our lucky day.
Should be my lucky day. It's my birthday.
It should be, yeah. You'd think the casino would know and they change things up like, hey, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Not, hey, thanks for coming over and giving us your money on your birthday. Think they give you a payback or anything. They didn't even give you any extra free play today.
They just gave me 10.
$3 win.
Well, he could give me on a dollar bet.
Oh, 2 again.
I really thought I had it there too. One, 2, come on, yay!
There we go. We got 3. Looks like we're going to get to see that bonus after all. Now, if they keep going and triggering and we keep getting these things, she can end up with a lot of free games. That's what we're hoping on. We're hoping on a lot of free games. As you can see, we got 3 white raptors.
See, now you gotta collect them.
Got to get 6
4.
bonus to get 4 of those guys. Okay, I see it up
nice.
there.
1.
There's 1 guy. We need 3 more to continue.
Come on, baby.
Seems we'll need a re-trigger on this one.
1, 2, yes. I need
Oh, and they fakey'd us on this one.
Ah. There it is.
And that was 10 times your bet. That's 10 spins back.
I play it out. I'll put my money somewhere else. Oh, I got it.
Oh, look at that. Back-to-back bonuses.
I'm glad I stuck with it. Normally I would just jump off, but they were mad about the last bonus. Maybe they'll give me something better.
Again, looking for 4 of those guys.
I get one.
There's one. Let's see 3 more. We got 4 games remaining.
It's my birthday. Please be nice.
There's one more.
One. And a pay. $2 pay.
3 more games. Maybe we'll get more than $10 this time.
Give me one. Come on. I got one more free. Please give it to me.
And last spin.
One.
Once again, they did that where it's only 3. And this time less than $10. It's just not looking all that grand.
Attention, Lily Casino.
20-cent bet.
We've drawn another winning for these 1 o'clock, Nifty 50. Name and teller. You have 5 minutes to set your card at the players club. Once again, name and teller. You have 5 minutes to set your card at the players club. Thank you.
Guess they play it down to 20 and then walk.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. That's what we're going to do on this one. We're going to take our 20 and run. At least we're walking away with something.
Yeah.
Keep your ovens hot, guys. Keep looking for them biscuits. Today we didn't find one yet, but we are still looking. Hopeful as ever. Keep your good luck up. Keep your hopes up. Till next time.